Hello everyone and welcome back to my balcony garden. Today I'm going to show you how to pollinate cucumber flowers by hand. It is so easy to do. These are my lovely cucumbers I'm growing this year. I've got a few vines growing in a pot. They are an outdoor variety. They're called Delicate Bee. The cucumbers are small, they're good for salads and also for pickling. This is my first time growing this variety and I am very happy so far, so I can definitely recommend them. The reason we sometimes pollinate cucumbers by hand is that if the female flowers aren't fertilized, so if the male pollen from the male flowers doesn't reach the female flower, well then the female flower isn't going to be fertilized and we're not going to get any fruit, which is of course why we are growing these plants in our growing spaces in the first place, because we want that food, we want that harvest. So the only tool you need is a paintbrush. Some people also actually like to use a Q-tip. Some people even take the male flower totally off the vine and then rub it directly onto the female. I just do it this way, it's always worked for me so far, but of course you can choose a way that works for you. Let's get started. So first we need to establish the difference between a male and a female flower. So this flower here is a female. Now, females have this structure here. It looks like a sort of a jaggy, very small kind of caterpillar-like structure on the flower. This is actually the beginning of the cucumber. Once that flower is fertilized, this is going to then grow and swell into a normal cucumber. I think it is kind of not looking so good right now, but it's just a baby and it's the immature fruit. So it looks a bit funny at the moment, a bit hairy, but I promise you it will develop into something really wonderful and tasty. The male flowers, however, do not have this caterpillar, jaggy, funny looking structure, immature fruit at the bottom. They've simply got a stem. So you can see that it's joined to the vine just with this thin stem. So that is the simple, easy difference between the two flowers. So now we know the difference between a male and a female flower. Let's get fertilizing. So I have a male flower here. I've actually changed to a Q-tip for this video because the flowers are so small and my paintbrush is too big. So I'm just going to go in with my Q-tip first to the male flower into the center. Give it a rub. Get that pollen. And then go straight to the female flower and deposit it into the center. And that is it. Fertilization complete. So once you fertilize your female flower, if you've done it correctly, within a very short space of time, maybe even a few weeks, this immature part of the fruit, which is not immature anymore because it has been fertilized, it's going to begin to swell and rapidly grow, and then you're going to end up with something like this. What a whopper! So this is one of the cucumbers I have on one of the vines, which is developing beautifully, and really I just can never get over how quickly cucumbers grow. It's not ready to be harvested yet. You can see that it's developing here. It's nice and smooth, but it's still got that jaggy caterpillar-y part to it. So I'm going to leave it a little bit longer on the vine and then I'm going to harvest it soon, and I am looking forward to eating more of them. So that was how to pollinate cucumber flowers by hand. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, support the channel by subscribing. I hope you're all staying safe and well. I send you all my love and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.